Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can redeem a code for Roblox on your PC in 2023. So first up, we want to go to roblox.com/home and simply log in with our account information if we haven't already. We can do this from the right hand side. So from here, what we need to do is simply change the URL or the website right here. Click on it and change /home to /redeem, REDEEM. And then all you have to do is press enter on your keyboard. So as you can see, we are taken to another page right here where we can redeem a code. So basically all you have to do is type your code right here in this bar. So make sure it's all capital letters. We can write our code. Now this is not a real code, as you can see, it's just made up. But after you have typed out your code right here, all you have to do is click on redeem, and then you will get the currency or the value of the code added to your account. So that is how you redeem Roblox codes in 2023. I hope this was useful. Make sure to like and subscribe if it helped you out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.